Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Z, and I'm your host P5, aka the Bearded Wonder, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. You know how we do. We ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get into it like we're getting into it, like we do it for doing it for TV. And drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Let's waste no time. You see what's right there? You see? Can you see? Come on. You see what that says? Let me give you a little flip round. You know what I mean? Little lookage. You know what that is. You know what this box says. Should we get into it? Come on, let's get into it. Open the box. Individually wrapped in the old papier with the tray foil. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Come on. Alright, let's take this out. Ooh, right foot. Yes, please. Let's get these out. Left foot. God damn it. Okay, box close. Mount. And let's show you what we have here. You've already seen what we have here. Let's get into it, guys. Here we have the Liam Gallagher 2 SPZL. You see that? LG2 SPZL. These are in a 9.5. I picked these up literally this morning from the Adidas store in Carnaby Street. Of course, you got the new picture on the box. If you have the first pair, you know that the picture is different. I don't yet have the first pair, but I'm working on it. Shall we get into it, guys? Shall we get into it? It's a beautiful shoe, man. I saw this shoe and I was like, you know what? I missed out on the first pair, which I'm still going to get. I'm definitely not going to miss out on these. Look, 12 RJ, baby. 12 to the RJ. Give you a little moment on the details. And then we shall get into the shoe. This is based off a couple shoes, do you know what I mean? I'll try and put the pictures that it's based off down below, you know what I mean? Really nice shoe. This is the first completely new shoe, shall we say. The other one was a Padanam, I can't say it properly, but it was just that and a specific colorway. As this is a brand new shoe, although it's taken inspiration from a couple of shoes, this is basically a brand new shoe. So realistically, this is the first Liam Gallagher shoe. Alright guys, let's get into it. Let's start with the right hand side. As always, I'm just going to move this over here so we can do what we need to do. Let's start with that sole. Okay, look at that. Yummy. Let me just give you that a nice little... what does that sole remind you of? A Cortez, right? Yeah, it reminds me of a nice Cortez sole right there. You know what I mean? Of course, you got the midsole, which is gradiated. You see it's got that white and that grey. You got the white on the lower piece and you got the grey on the upper piece. That goes all the way right there, as you can see, to the... I want to say the start of the toe box, and as you see, you have this nice big bit of suede which takes up a whole chunk, and it's right next to that suede stripe right there. You have the 3 stripes right there, and they are very nice suede. Like I said, you've got this nice big panel of suede which goes all the way round, as you can see. Comes up here, you've got that sort of I think they call it like a T, I don't know, a T-junction. It's not, but they got this, it's got that sort of little raised little bit right there, kind of also like your Cortez once again, and of course it goes all the way around and it stops there. So as you can see, looking at the shoe, you've got the 1, 2, 3 trefoil, but then when you look on the other side, you've got the 1, 2, 3 trefoil plus the extra bit of suede RJ right there. Looking closely right there, you can see the toe box and you see that effect right there. I don't know what it's called. It's like, you know, when you, it's like that rubber, you got the rubber and then you sort of with your pin or something, it's got that kind of effect. Can you see what I mean? I hope you can kind of get what I'm talking about. But yeah, really dope. Of course, you've got that nice toe box, like I said, right there. Super sweet on the suede. Okay, let's move more to the upper. So this upper is a nylon upper. It's in this resplendent cream, I would say. This resplendent cream material, and it's a really sort of nice, kind of a sturdy upper. And I think if you look at it, it's kind of see-through-ish. Not quite see-through, but see-through-ish. Of course, you've got the lace bed, which is a nice, soft little leather right there, and that goes all the way round. and there, let me show you right there. So that goes all the way around, left hand side, right hand side, lace bed, and on that lace bed you have these eyelets right there in that cream color once again. And of course you have this set of laces, quite a thin set of laces, and that is in that cream color yet again. So they're keeping with the cream and that grey coloration. Okay, moving on to the heel tab, you have this suede heel tab right here, which is kind of, how would I say it, it's like a ruffed suede. Obviously right there you see the SPZL logo on a leather upper right there. And that SPZL logo is of course in that blue right there. Of course you've got the hang tag, which is a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing, and that's again with a new picture of Liam compared to the other one, and that is a removable hang tag, and yeah, it's very nice touch, and that's in black on a grey body. Of course you have Liam's boat race right there on the tongue once again, and that says Adidas, Liam Gallagher, endorsed by, and then it has a picture of his boat right there. Really, really nice. Let's go on to the second shoe. Of course, same thing, but equilibrium is not a beautiful thing in this case, because this time we have the Adidas trefoil right there instead of the SPZL like we previously did on the other shoe, as you can see right there. Of course you've got this nice spare set of laces with the Adidas SPZL emboldened on the papier right there, and that is in that comparison, it's in a white lace compared to the cream lace which you have there, so that's always a nice touch. Of course you've got oh, interesting, if you look in there, you've got, can you see that number there? It says 270972, 270972, and I don't know off head, but I've got a feeling that's probably Liam's birthday. 72, yeah, I feel like that's Liam's birthday. I'm not sure, but I think so. Of course in there you have that nice Liam Gallagher Adidas SPZL insole right there, you know, doing the do as it does its doage, and you got that nice little gold sticker right there, as you do. This is a nice leather insert right there, so that's good to get, you know, a nice sort of well quality leather right there, so very, very nice. Of course, like I said, you've got that leather heel tab right there, which is a beautiful thing. You know we love our little encoutrements. This came with a little encoutrement there. It's a poster. I will show you this poster separately because I'm not going to open it now, because I'm going to have something to eat and then I'm actually going to have a little snooze. So yeah, yeah, no Illuminati. You see the triangle, you see the triangle. But yeah, I will be showing you this poster at some point. But yeah, we love our little encoutrements. So well done, Adidas. Alright guys, these have been the Liam Gallagher 2 SPZL. Yeah, really nice shoe. Let me know what your thoughts are. I really, really like them. I got these in a 9.5 from Carnaby Street, West End, and yeah, just a super dope shoe, man. Super dope. Glad I managed to pick them up. Again, it wasn't too crazy. Shout out the gang them, you know, J Rago and everybody. Shout out all the people, you know what I mean, Kieran, all the gang. Yeah, good to see you, and yeah, let's do this again. But this has been the Liam Gallagher SPZL 2. I've been your host P Fire, aka P is for pretty pair, and this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bear Creps. You know how we do it. Let's do it like we're doing it for TV, except let's do it like we're doing it now. Bang, bush, bab. Guys, I don't know even what I'm saying. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on this pair. You know, is this something you would pick up, and you know, or the simple fact that it's got Liam Gallagher attached to it, does that turn you off? I've got this CP Company hoodie on, which I really love. I love the colour. I like the pockets, you know what I mean? It's kind of like a dope little piece. So yeah, yeah, guys, stay dope, stay fly, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Of course, you already know how we do this. Mad love, gang, peace.